The ABJ Engineering and Contracting Company, a wholly owned subsidiary of Kharafi National, providing state-of-the-art steel fabrication services. From process equipment to pressure vessels and HRSGs for oil and gas, power, water and wastewater and industrial sectors, as well as for special commercial and sport projects in the Middle East region and worldwide. With 2 operational sites in Kuwait Shaiba, 30,000 square meters, and Mina Abdullah, 200,000 square meters, and 1 in Abu Dhabi at ICAT 3 of 275,000 square meters. ABJ is the largest fabrication facility in Kuwait. The company has a strong engineering base and is managed by an excellent professional team with a total manpower of 2,000 direct and indirect personnel. Awarded by Petrofac UAE for the fabrication work of the Lagan Tormore development in the Shetland Islands, UK, ABJ faced a new challenging project.
It is a special project that merges between fabrication, construction and pre-commissioning, which requires people with different calibers and expertise.
Stringent safety and quality criteria, massive quantities, and the application of novel technologies. ABJ's objective was to provide first-rate modular steel products for the new gas processing facility. The module fabrication consists of steel structures, piping fabrication and erection, painting, electrical and instrumentation installation, hydro testing, and complete pre-commissioning. Even though the project location is onshore, the designs, construction specifications, codes and standards required meeting stringent offshore quality standards.
The amount of micro details on the project against the tight delivery schedule required from us to be sure that we planned every single detail activity through a micro-planning procedure. During the project execution, we were very close monitoring the daily pulse of execution and handling all the variances with the appropriate mitigation plan just on time.
For Lagan Tormore project, ABJ fabricated 29 pipe rack modules, 8 process modules with weights ranging from 100 to 350 metric tons. The scope involved 5,000 tons of structural steel fabrication and erection, 230,000 diameter inches of piping fabrication and erection, specialized techniques for passive fireproofing, thermal aluminum spraying of 20,000 square meters and 200,000 square meters of wet epoxy painting.
In order to satisfy the CE requirement, special training and qualification were provided to our QC team to comply with the PED directives. Special techniques, nuclear grade films and close proximity radiography techniques were introduced to meet the aggressive schedule with required high level of quality.
ABJ acquired various specialized types of equipment to meet the project requirement, such as PFP pumps, specialized welding machines, boroscopic equipment for inspecting inside the pipes, special electronic load cells to establish the center of gravity of each module prior to shipment.
Due to significant increase in scope and in order to achieve the project's milestone, a high level of acceleration was required. This was achieved by recruiting people in shutdown bases, deploying 12 safe-rad radiography crews, 13 conventional crews, and allocating 25 mobile cranes.
During project execution, ABJ faced many challenges with regards to quality, such as use of D3 films for radiography of joints, which normally takes longer time to exposure. Additionally, all structural joints were fully penetrated welding with 100% ultrasonic and magnetic particle testing. ABJ had to establish several new welding procedures and qualifications in order to comply with PED European directives.
Lagan-Tarmoor is a modular construction project with many challenges. It was designed to offshore construction code, and ABJ was first time venturing into such work. The quality and safety requirements were more stringent than the codes and the normal industrial standard, which made the project very special for ABJ.
With its stringent quality and safety standards, ABJ has reached a higher level, setting the benchmark for other international major players, completing 5 million safe man-hours without LTI and meeting overall customer satisfaction on all project milestones. Today, ABJ has further evolved in the oil and gas fabrication industry, equipped with an increased level of technical skills and knowledge and production processes that has placed the company among the major players in the global industry.